well, not what you like, but you know.
So
Good
what
reason.
made you become drive these?
I don't drive them, I'm the fireman.
Oh.
My job is to shovel the coal into there, right, to make the steam.
And then it goes faster,
The more you shovel,
the more it goes.
until it gets to 200. Once it gets to 200 pounds per square inch, the safety's all in, right?
Oh.
So basically what we're going to do is keep the fire hot to boil the water. Boil the water,
You
make
get
the steam. The most important thing on this locomotive is to keep the water level up. Because it's like a kettle. You switch your kettle on and don't have enough water in it,
You'll fill it up.
it won't last too long. Same thing with one of these. So what you do is you basically put water in it. On there. Put water in it by turning this on. That's injecting water from the tender back there into the boiler. And we try to keep it around there where we can.
Yep.
And then check the gauges. It tells me about 3/4 glass in the water, in the boiler.
Okay.
So it's
Simple as that.
basically it's a matter of shoveling, putting water in the boiler, looking outside and working out what the driver's doing.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. So how often do you have to shovel in?
Well, I got lucky leaving Paul because I put a very what's called a heel. So basically just below that door there,
Yeah.
right, I shoveled probably about 40 or 50 shovels of coal right across the back.
Yeah.
And I didn't actually have to touch it until I got over the hill and then down a bit. So but
Wow.
normally you have to, you know, it's every couple of minutes. Every couple of minutes, three to four shovels. You have a look, you wait a little bit, put some more on. Because the idea is you sit between that black mark there and the 200. That's where you want to. That's the magic number.
Okay.
Alright.
This is very cool.
Not a problem at all.
Thank you so much.
No problems.
Where's the coal come from?
Yeah.
Gunnedah in New South Wales.
Yeah, right.
Oh.
Back in the day would have been Lee Creek.
No, Lee Creek's not good for steam engines.
Oh, right.
They tried it back in the day. Obviously, the railways tried it back in the day, but yeah, it's very, very hard to steam. This is proper steaming coal.
Right.
What it's designed to do, yeah. If you get good coal, you don't have to shovel very much. If you get average coal,
Lots of shoveling.
you know, lots of shoveling. Yeah,
Alright.
you're working for your living.
This good coal or
Yeah.
average?
This is good coal. This.